So when you're working with Microsoft Access, you might want to have certain tools at your quick access. So on the top, you can see that there's the quick access toolbar for that exact thing. So you can see that there's save, undo, and redo right here by default. But if you want to access more option, you can click on the drop down menu right here and then click something like spelling. So you can see that now you have the spelling tool right here. Similarly, let's say, for example, you want to go for mode, then you got the mode right here. So you can access out the tools right from over here on the top without having to navigate through the tabs right here. So from the quick access toolbar, you can go around and enable and disable out the things that you want quick access of. So what you can also do is you can go around over here and then change this to show below the ribbon. So the quick access toolbar actually is displayed over here, or you can move this above right here so that it goes to the top. Another thing that you can do is you can modify out the quick access toolbar by clicking on the drop down menu right here and by clicking on more commands. And once you do that over here, you can see that these are the tools that are there in the quick access toolbar. So you can go around over here and then choose out the command that you want to display there. So let's just go around over here onto replace, add that in over there. And let's just go around into another tab right here. Like let's say, for example, I'm going to go for create tab. And let's say I want to add in blank form right here. Press OK. And what happens is that all of those options will be added to the quick access toolbar once you do that, as you can see. So if you want to disable everything out, you can simply click on it right here. And then what happens is that the ones that you do not choose actually go around and then gets removed, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with the quick access toolbar so that you have quick access to the tools that you need inside of Microsoft Access. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.